My name is Frank Tomika. I discovered Cornea Revolution here from a family member, and about 5-6 years ago just had some troubles like seeing everything blurry with my left eye vision, and that's one time when I decided, I need to go see a doctor. So I saw a few doctors, and lots of doctors told me that I have astigmatism and I just need to wear glasses or give me some prescribed contacts, until I saw another doctor that told me that I have keratoconus. After realizing it's keratoconus, I'm like, okay, gotta do some research, and then I did the cross-linking. Obviously I'm here today. For the first one, it just didn't go right. It did stop the whole cornea from stretching, but it just my vision started getting blurry again. I had a lot of troubles driving at night, where to a point where I stopped driving. I give the wheel to my fiance. I couldn't drive anymore. I stayed away from a lot of anything activities to do at night just because of the lights and blurriness. I just couldn't see that well, and I'm like, gotta find a better doctor, do the surgery. And then this is when we came here about 2 weeks ago, and then went with the doctor, explained everything step by step. I'm still new and still learning about this whole keratoconus, but thankfully the doctor explained step by step what he's gonna do, how is he gonna do it, and obviously I was very happy when he told me that I'm able to fix it, and I will get my vision back, get back to activities. I can do a lot of stuff at night, driving, working, and obviously that just made me feel better, and I just wanted to do it as soon as possible, especially in 4 more months I'm getting married. So going to honeymoon, going to the wedding and the whole party, and I want to see the people. I want to see everybody that's gonna come to the wedding. Obviously, I don't be like, oh, who's that guy? Who's this guy? I can't see them from far away. So I'm excited. That's why I just made the appointment. I'm like, let's do it next week, and here I am today, doing the surgery, and hopefully everything goes well. Hi, my name is Frank Tomika, and it's been 6 weeks since my surgery and the cross-linking that I did, after a couple of weeks, my first week, and after the surgery, I had a little bit trouble seeing, and it bothered me a lot. But day after day, where I started seeing more improvement, when my vision started to come back and get better. Right now where it's gotten better, where I can see a little bit more clear. There isn't a lot of shadows, especially when at night, where I used to see twice the light. But yeah, I'm getting better. I'm more comfortable now driving at night, and how much it.